Yeah. Got a few brim already. Some really tiny ones, a couple of average ones. Hopefully we'll get a couple of...
That's that,
got that guard set up.
That's that trouble you got right there.
Yeah. Ooh, don't do that. Crickets, that's the magic one.
Skipjack.
Oh man, that's a nice.
That wasn't the biggest one, or what the smallest one?
Small pieces. We're gonna try small pieces. Oh, you got some minnows?
We got 2 dozen large.
You want me to?
I'm gonna walk down there.
Okay.
You may sit at the top of the stairs and let you grab it.
We got the real bait now, man. Skipjack, minnows, crickets. Craig's over here waxing them on the cork. Nice. What'd you get, like a dozen?
2 dozen.
Okay, perfect.
2 dozen large. All right, I'm gonna go park the truck.
Cool. It's time to put a little cricket on there.
Yeah, I'll pull that. It was bowed pretty good.
Yeah, he's on there, Craig. Go ahead, get him. Yeah, it's a circle. Just go ahead, start reeling. Is he on? Yeah, it's on. I think he's over yours, Alan. Is he still on, Craig? Oh, yeah. Move your pole to that corner right there. Yeah, I'll grab this one, move it this way.
Did it come off?
No, he shouldn't have come off.
Swimming to you?
Yeah, just...
We'll get him in the net.
Is he still kicking?
There you go. Don't let it run the bottom.
Yeah, I was gonna say put the pressure on him.
Pick up. See what we see.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Good cat. See if I can take the time to get this net and get a swing over it.
Yeah. Oh, he's in there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Fresh brim head.
He's fat too.
Hey, Craig. That's what I'm talking about, big dog. He's going to go, what, 8-9 pounds. Let me grab the circle hook remover and the weigher. put you to work right here, Danielle. Hold that for me. Oh shoot, he might go 11 pounds.
You that's right. This here, I'm gonna drop this line over all the way.
Okay.
Seven five.
7.5.
7.5.
Look at the belly on him though.
Picture of it.
I'll let you take the pictures of
Yeah,
him
I
real
gotta
quick.
take pictures.
You should take the pictures since, you know, I'm not doing good at it.
I want to see something different. All right. Hold him up. All right.
Big old chunky cat. Yeah, he's on it.
Really?
It's a good one, ain't it?
Sure as a fish. Game on. He's going down.
Yeah, that's a big fish.
Come on. Hold it up. See, it comes up off the bottom.
You recording, Alan? He's got a big boy this time.
There you go. Hold.
Yeah, keep him going.
Oh, yeah, that's a little bit of a head shake too. Peek at it.
It's gonna be 20 plus right here.
Hey, is that the first one?
That's the. That's right. Just keep good old pressure on him. That's right. I'm watching for him. What pound is that leader?
That's a 40-pound leader. Oh, 40-pound leader. That's what, 65-pound braid. So.
I might want to. I almost wonder if I need to loosen up the drag a little bit. Yeah, he's digging.
He's working. Just gotta get a look. Keep the pressure on him so we can get.
I wonder if it's a big blue or if it's a flathead. Here,
Can't see him. Is that him?
it's a flathead. It's a good one. Let me get out your way, Alan. There he is. Look at him.
There we go. You just walk backwards. Didn't you? Walk backwards.
Oh no, you got the net on the hook.
No. Pull it. Walk that way. Huh?
Here, Craig, let me see the rod real quick.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
No.
He's in that net.
He's in the net. Let's pull it up, let it loose, see if we can roll him around into it.
All right, Craig, pull him forward.
Pull to you, 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 pull to you. Got it.
We got him. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that.
That's a good flesh.
That's a good one, dude.
Wait.
Look at that catfish right here, dude.
Wait. That'll work.
Yeah, I got. That is insane. That was a gar right there. I'll tell you what. Oh, ow, that hurt. It slapped me. You're gonna have to retie that leader.
Hold on, it's got string still around. Goodness. See what it weighs. Son. Yeah. That's a good one.
He is 15.3.
15.3.
Just to get that out of there.
You know, this one you picture.
Put a hand up under his belly.
Ooh, that's the better. That's my first flathead. Make sure it's a good pick. That's a good one. All right.
Here, you take that. I'm gonna say I'm gonna drop him real quick. All right, goodbye. Boom, and he took off. Dude.
Two cats in the night, bro.
Man, that's a good flat.
Man, that was a good flat. Man, he's long, dude.
Man.
See what's going on here. How long? You in that picture? Yeah.
That's a nice flat,
We
dude.
should have got a picture of his head, how wide his head was.
How wide his head. We can get a still from the video.
His head was that wide. Yeah, because I actually stood.
I don't know. Huh? I don't know. I got some on this minnow. Oh, he's fighting pretty good too. Yeah, he's fighting pretty good. Feels kind of heavy. No, not in this 4-pound test, I'm not. I have no idea what it is yet. It's a very light line.
Where you at? I'm trying to drop one. Good.
That's a little channel cat too.
Is it a channel?
Look.
Yep. Little channel kitty cat. To me, that's the prettiest ones to me. You know why? They look like a shark.
Like a shark?
The way they're legs and all that. Pointed nose.
Don't you get me. Ah. There went the line. Yeah, I grabbed the minnow.
Might have been what's been hitting out there all the time.
Yeah, could be.
Nice little old kitty
Where's that hook? Ah, there it is.
I think that line is on your pants, pad.
Could be.
Hey, come on. I just didn't start pulling.
Yeah. Give me my hook back. You take a little picture of his belly.
That's a good old. To me, that's a good old fillet size right there. It's my cat.
Yeah, it's a sandwich. He broke that 4-pound test when I pulled him out of that net, though. I felt a thud. I was like, oh, I might have a bass. All of a sudden, it pulled me. I was like, oh no, that's not a bass. We could be in trouble. I wonder if that's a gar. He's trucking. Just let him go. Man, he's running too much. Oh, he's slowing down. Oh, he's speeding up.
Roll it back in.
Jesus, that car is going, dude.
That's not a gar, dude.
We'll find out when you set the hook.
If I get him in, ain't no leader on this thing.
Oh, God. Well, we'll find out. Something came to the top.
Of the water.
Something's out there jumping.
What pole's in the way?
Nothing right now. He's jumping. He come off. It was a gar.
Did he cut you off or just turn loose? Feels like he still got the weight to it.
He probably just turned it loose.
He was running forever.
God, he was running, dude.
I think he may have cut me off. Well, I don't know. Yeah, there's nothing to it.
Do you want me to make you a little still leader? You want this one, Alan?
Hang on to him.
And he broke off just then. Oh no, but he's still there. Oh, he's coming this way.
Don't go over like again.
Catfish.
Get. That's a good one too, man.
Yeah, that's actually a nice one. Oh no, this isn't the ultralight.
Oh.
This is that one that you got me. Yeah.
It's on the channel too.
Yeah, it's another big old fat channel cat. That's actually a nice channel right there.
Yeah.
You know what that was on? The worms.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You got something? Ooh, it's gonna be hard to hold a him. I'm gonna have to get the pliers on this one. I'm curious. I think he's gonna be about 3. And these 4 pounds and 15 ounces. You get a picture of me real quick, or well, y'all still trying to untie? Alrighty. Bye, bud.